Hello everyone and welcome to my database series. In this series, I'm going to explain how to use MySQL Workbench to create a complete database. I'll be using different question sets as examples. I will be starting from the basic, which is creating a database and adding tables to it. Let's check our first example question. This is our first example question. In here, the details of students of Pinnaduwa Mahavidyalaya are stored in books, and as a result, some of the data has been destroyed. We have been asked to create a computer software using the given information to store the data of all the students and teachers. The first question we have is to create a database called SchoolDB to store teacher and student data. Let's go to our Workbench file to do this. So before creating the database, first we have to create a new model. So to create a new model, we have to go to File and then click on New Model. Then this window will appear. I'm going to double click on MyDB and I'm going to change my database name to SchoolDB. Then I'm going to click on Add Diagram. With these steps, we have successfully created our SchoolDB database. Let's check our next question. So our next question is to create a table called student to store the student data. We will be using ER diagrams to create our tables. We are now in our ER diagram section. Here we have our tools and our create area. I'll be using the tool place a new table to create a new table. I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to click on my create area to create a table. Now we have our table. Let's rename it and add our given information to that. To rename this, we have to double click on our table. So when this window appears, we can rename our table from that. So I'm going to create a table called student. Then let's add our given information to this table. To add details, let's go to this section. I'm going to double click on this. So automatically the first column name will appear. We can change it to any name we want. The first column name we want is index number. So I've created the index number. Then I'm going to change the data type to varchar. So we have to double click on this and then we're going to change our data type to varchar and let's add our length to 10. We can repeat the same method to add all the information to the table. So we have completely created our first table, which is our student table. This is how it will appear. So we have our index number, first name, last name, gender, contact number and our address. All the data types are set to varchar and we have different string lengths. Let's repeat the same method to create the teacher table. We have created our teacher table. So this is our teacher table. We have our teacher register number, first name, last name, gender, contact number and our email. This will be the ending of our first video of database creation series. If you guys have any question, leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.